You're welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving a question on link mechanism. As you can see, this is the link mechanism. It says the figure shows the crank AB rotate clockwise about A, crank AB. I told you from the past video that whenever you hear crank, it means something that is rolling like this, it's going around like this, and it will form a circular path. So crank AB rotate clockwise, that is in this direction, about A. It is fixed at A and can rotate at A. While crank CD, this is CD, rotate anti-clockwise, that is CD, which is this one, is rotating this way, like this, is going this way, rotating this way, about C. The cranks are joined by a link BDF. This is the link BDF. That's the link. Plot the loci of, that is the plural of locus, loci of point E and F, that is this point and this point, for one revolution of AB. For one revolution of AB, for when this AB moves round for one revolution, then we are given the size of AB and DC. AB and DC, the two of them are 45. They will form a circle, like the radius of a circle, because it will move round, so it will form a circular path. So we start by drawing a horizontal line. A horizontal line. Let's put our horizontal line somewhere here. Like this. I will measure 45 degrees because it said DC and AB are both 45. So if I pick this point, this one should, 45 should be able to enter into that place. 45. 45 from 20. This is 40, 45. Let's see. Yeah, this is okay. So where is circle of radius 45? The circle of radius 45, because it says the length of the crank is 45, and that will give us a circle. Now from this will represent my C. So from this point, from this center, you can see it to this, to A is 120. So let us measure 120. This is 10. 120 is here. So we can now draw with the same radius of 45. Draw the other circle for the second crank. So since it is AB that I have been told that will complete one revolution, so let us divide AB into 12 equal parts. So divide it into 12 equal parts. The same radius of the circle, you use it to mark arc round, right and left. You go to this place, you will be up and down like this. You go to this place, right and left, and this one will be up and down. So that's division into 12 equal parts. Just join them, passing through the center. pass through the center. So now let us start from this point. Remember, it says crank AB rotate clockwise, so the labeling will be like this. So if this place is 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So like that. Now we are now told that our so that the cranks are joined by link BDF, by this link BDF. So we are plotting the locus of P and F. So, and we are told that BE, that is here to here, is equal to DF, and is equal to what? 30. Is equal to 30. So that means this distance is 30, and this distance is also 30. Now, if they are starting from the same point, this one is starting from here. So that means if this is our B1, if this is B1, for this other, we have to divide this one too into 12 equal parts. Let's divide this one too. We have to divide it also into 12 equal parts. This. We use the same radius of the circle. We mark arc below and above, right and left. Stay on this one too, below and above, and you come here, right and left. So we join it like this, dividing it into 12 equal parts. That's what we are doing now. Yeah. So if this is 1, this one will also, they will start from the same point. This one will be 1. Remember, this one is going anti-clockwise, so it will go like this. You won't count like this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So when this is at 1, this is also at 1. So all you need to do, we have, if B is here, we measure BE, which is 30. Measure BE on this line. So that will be E1. Then you also need to measure DE. DE, this will represent D, because this is C for this one, whereas this one is A. This is A and this is D. So this one is representing D1. This is D1 now. So from here now, you now measure the F. So you measure it inside like this. This is 30. This is 30. That will represent F1. Now let us confirm this one. Is it 30? No, it's 20. So it should be 30. This is 30. So this is E1. Let me erase the other one. So now the next one is 2. You connect the two of them together. When this one is here, this one is here. So you connect the two of them together like this. So you have connected them together. Remember, this will represent A2. A2. Then from B2. B2. Because B is on the circumference. This is B2. So from B now you now measure E, which is 30. And this from this line you measure 30. This is 30. And that will represent E2. E2. Now on this line now, this will represent D2. D2, then you now measure F. So you extend it by 30 to measure your F like this. Extend it up to this point. This will be F2. Now the next one is on 3 to 3, from 3 to 3. Like this, you draw it, that is to 3, then add 30 for E. 1, 2, 3. This is the 30. So this will be the E, for F3. This is F2. F2. So after F2 now, we have done 3. So we are going to 4 now. Let me erase this one. It is at this point. So 4 to 4. This is 4 to 4. You draw it like that. Then add the 3 of this one. That's 30, 10, 20. Let's see it again. 4, 10, 20, 30. So you add it to this place. This will be, let's confirm this one again. 3 to 3. 3 to 3. Oh, there's a mistake here. We have known that. This is connected to 2. This 3 is connected to 2. It is 3 to 3. It should come here. It should come here like this. 3 to 3. Then you extend it by 30. 1, 2, 3. Like this. So this is the actual F3, not this one. This is F2, F3, F4. Then we do for 5, 5 to 5. This is 5 to 5. For this 3, we have not measured our E. So let us measure our E for 3, 10, 20, 30. This is E3. We have done E2. Then E4 too. We have not measured E4. 10, 20, 30. So that is E4. Then now we'll do 5 to 5. 5 to 5. There's no way our drawing will most likely move out of the paper. So just bear with us like that, with me like that. Measure it out. This is 5, then measure 30. 1, 2, 3. 30 stops here. So this is E5. Now for 6, 6 to 6. For the E5, we have not measured. No, sorry, this is F5. F5. Then we need E5 here. 1, 2, 3. This is E5. Then we go to 6. 6 to 6. This will definitely go out of the paper. 6 to 6. Like this. Draw it up to 6. Then extend it out by 30. This is 10, 20, 30 will be here. I know my camera can still capture it. Bear with me like that. This is F6. Then 7. 7 to 7. This is 7 to 7. It's already there. Let us measure my E. 1, 2, 3. This is my 7, E7, then F7 will be along this line. This is D7, so from there you measure your F7. 1, 2, 3. It will be here. Let's extend it so it will be at this point. Then 8 to 8, 8 to 8. You draw it up to 8 and extend it out by 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 is here. 3 is at this point. Here is 3, and we also measure 3 here for our E. 1, 2, 3. That is 30. This is E8, and this is F8. So we go to 9. 9. 9. We roll it and count. For here let's count 30. 1, 2, 3. This is our E9 and F9. Let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. This is my 3. So this is F9. Then 10. 10 to 10. 10 to 10. Then they roll it above 10. So let us count it. 1, 2, 3 for E10. E10 and F10. 1, 2, 3. F10. So now to 11. 11 to 11. So count 3 from here. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. So that will be E11. E11. Then let us do F11. We measure 30. 1, 2, 3. F11. Then the final one, which is 12. 12 to 12. Like this. So this is 12. So count 3. 1, 2, 3. That is F12. And this one too, we count 30. 1, 2, 3. E12. So we have all our points. These are my E's. This. So we join with French curve. So we're going to have 2 loci. Let's join this one. Join this 4 or 5 up to E1. And join this ones up to this place. Then join these ones too. And also join these ones. And join these ones. There, this portion, let's join this side, so that's the locus of point E. Now locus of point F. So this one will go like this up to this place. There. not giving, it's not smooth enough. You have to be very careful when you are joining the locus of points. Let's see this one. I think we can join this ones like this. Yes, we can join these ones like this. Then these ones can be joined. The table is giving not connecting very well. Let's see this one. No, that's not smooth. That is not smooth. Okay, let me try another French curve. Okay, let's try this one now and see how we can get. Okay, this is better. This is better. Yes. Okay, so let us see this one too. Can I go here too? Yes, can go for these three. Let's see how we can join these ones. Let's see these three. Okay, yes, it can go, yeah, like this. So we have these three, and we can join this last one. Yes, so this is the locus of point F, and this is the locus of point E. So that's the solution to the question. If you have enjoyed the video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Don't mind my drawing going out of the table. Next time you plan, when you're doing questions like this, you plan your drawing sheet very well. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.